Good morning, students. I, Neelam Arora, welcome you all in Social Studies class. Children, in our previous video, we have studied Chapter 10, Environmental Pollution. In this video, let's do its book exercises and question answers. So let's start. Children, what do you mean by environment? Environment consists of living and non-living things. And pollution means making anything dirty. So environmental pollution means making the environment dirty. And how many types of pollutions are there? There are 4 types of pollution: air, water, soil and noise. The causes of air pollution can be natural or human made. Harmful substances when released in the water cause water pollution. And pollution makes the soil infertile. Noise pollution causes stress, irritation and loss of hearing. Words to know. Pollutants. What are pollutants? Substances that make air, water or land impure. Oil tankers are large ships that carry oil. Checkpoint. Tick the correct answers. 2 options are given. You have to tick on the correct option. The greatest threat to the environment. Environment के लिए सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन है? Nature या humans? The correct answer is humans. Volcanic eruptions cause this pollution. Volcanic eruption से, ज्वालामुखी से कौन सा pollution होता है? Air. Leakage from oil tankers causes this pollution. The answer is water. Read and answer. Tick the correct answers. First is breathing in polluted air can cause diseases. Gastroenteritis is caused by drinking polluted water. Due to pollution, the soil becomes infertile. Both air and noise pollution is caused by vehicles. Match the columns. Forest fire causes air pollution. Sewage causes water pollution. Solid waste, soil pollution. And loud music causes noise pollution. Let's do the spiral verb. Match the columns. Air pollution. Air pollution is caused by harmful gases. Water pollution is caused by sewage. Environment consists of living and non-living things. Land pollution is caused by dumping garbage. Noise pollution is caused by bursting firecrackers. Answer in one word. The unit which is used to measure intensity of sound is decibel. Mixing of smoke with fog is called smog. Substances which pollute the environment, they are called pollutants. And growth of towns and cities is called urbanization. Rapid growth of industries is industrialization. Draw and color the following diagram to show our environment or save environment. Children, you can get an idea from this picture how to save the environment. You can get an idea from these pictures. Next is human activities pollute the environment. You have to draw a diagram on this in your spiral. So you can get an idea from these pictures. Let's come to answer these questions. How have humans emerged as the greatest threat to the environment? Human beings जो हैं वो environment के लिए खतरा कैसे बन गए हैं? So let's start. Humans have carried out various activities. कैसे activities start कर दी है human beings ने? They are establishing factories, and from factories chemical waste is coming out. They are throwing in water bodies. People are throwing household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies. Solid waste, they are throwing garbage on soil, on land. So these all activities have caused changes in the environment. In doing so, the humans have become the greatest threat to the environment. What causes air pollution? Air pollution किससे होता है? And how is air pollution harmful? So air pollution is caused by both human-made and natural factors. Human-made factors are smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of fuels and firecrackers. And natural causes are sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires and pollen from plants and flowers. These are some natural causes of air pollution. What is water pollution? पानी कैसे dirty होता है? When harmful substances are released into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Water bodies get polluted when chemical waste from factories are dumped in them. Household waste and untreated sewage are dumped in them. People when they bath or wash clothes in rivers and lakes. And leakage from oil tankers. Some natural factors that cause water pollution are storms, because when storms are caused, जब आंधी चलती है, then small particles mix in water and cause water pollution. Write a short note on soil pollution. When harmful substances are released into the soil, it causes soil pollution. Soil is also polluted when harmful substances get accumulated in it. Accumulated means collected on the soil. Main causes of soil pollution are solid waste such as garbage is kachra, रिफ्यूज़ फ्रॉम फॉरेस्ट एंड एग्रीकल्चर से और फॉरेस्ट से जो कचरा निकलता है वो, एंड रिफ्यूज़ फ्रॉम माइंस, गार्बेज फ्रॉम माइंस. तो सॉइल बिकम्स इनफर्टाइल. सॉइल इससे क्या बन जाती है? इनफर्टाइल, अनउपजाऊ, बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन. इट ऑल्सो हार्म्स द ऑर्गेनिजम्स लिविंग इन द सॉइल. लिस्ट सम कॉजेज ऑफ नॉइस पोल्यूशन. ध्वनि प्रदूषण क्या है? हाउ डज नॉइस पोल्यूशन हार्म अस? ये कैसे होता है और ये हमको कैसे हार्म करता है? नॉइस पोल्यूशन इज कॉज्ड बाय हॉर्न्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स, लाउड स्पीकर्स एंड लाउड म्यूजिक, फायर क्रैकर्स, वॉशिंग मशीन्स, वैक्यूम क्लीनर्स, एयर कंडीशनर्स एंड मिक्सर ग्राइंडर्स. What is noise pollution, children? When there is too much noise, when the noise is unbearable, जब आप सहन नहीं कर सकते हो, इतनी तेज़ आवाज़ होती है, तो that is called noise pollution. And noise pollution is harmful to all living things. It causes stress. इससे stress होता है, tension होती है, तनाव होता है, irritation होता है. जब आप बहुत तेज़ म्यूज़िक चलाते हो तब irritation होता है, चिड़चिड़ाहट होती है. And इट कैन ऑल्सो कॉज लॉस ऑफ हियरिंग. आपकी सुनने की क्षमता भी कम हो सकती है या जा सकती है. चिल्ड्रन, दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट चैप्टर 10. योर सोशल स्टडीज़ होमवर्क इज रीड द चैप्टर, डू द बुक एक्सरसाइजेज इन टेक्स्ट बुक, वर्ड्स टू नो एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन नोटबुक, वर्कशीट्स इन स्पाइरल. Draw and color the following diagrams in spiral. Our environment or safe environment, human activities that pollute the environment. Thank you and all the best for your exams.